Welcome back. A photograph has the ability to speak 1,000 words. It gives people an opportunity to see the world in its various hues through someone else's eyes. And what could be better than to see it through the eyes of children? A photography exhibition titled The World Through Children's Eyes is being held at the Institute Menezes Braganza. It is a 3-day event that got underway today. The chief guest was the world-renowned fashion designer Wendell Rodrigues. The exhibition showcases photographs of 24 talented children who were a part of a 6-day photography workshop that was conducted by renowned photographer Prasad Pankar of CMYK Academy in collaboration with Children's Rights in Goa. Speaking to Goa 365, Prasad Pankar told us more about the workshop and the experience of working with 24 children in the age group of 8 to 14 years.
I taught them the basics of photography, and when I gave them the project, I just told them to click what they want. Yeah.
And what kind of camera were they
I taught them on manual SLR camera, manual SLR film cameras. Yeah. So I trained 24 children. I even taught them studio photography, and I even taught them flash photography, so they can take up parties and weddings and like that. Yeah. I thought it would be difficult first, but trust me, it was not all that difficult. It was so enjoyable in the end because I was like a child among themselves.
He also told us about one particular painting that had caught his attention.
It's a classic fine art photograph, and what really touched me is the subject and the play of light, and the most beautiful part about this is the composition.
The fact that a child has
Yes, and that too coming from a little child.
Wendell Rodrigues, who was the chief guest, seeing the talent of the children, decided to give them all a special surprise.
So I decided while I was sitting there sweating it out, each of these children I'm going to donate 500 rupees so they can enjoy our photography and do it in the house. On that note, thank you for inviting me. Have a great day, and I hope you make something of your careers for the sake of Goa.
We also spoke to a few kids who participated in the workshop.
फोटोग्राफी शिकपाक गेलो थंय आमकां प्रताप सरान बरें शिकयलें आनी बरे भाशेन दाटोवंक ना आमकां कितें मिस्टेक जालें तें सांगलें मागीर आमकां एकले वचपाक आमकां कॅमेरा वचून शिकयलें आनी आमी बरे फोटो काडले वयच्यान आमच्या हांगा एक्झिबिशनाक बरे फोटो आहा
फर्स्ट टायम कॅम्पाक गेल्लो आनी थिंगा सरान शिकयलें म्हाका फोटो कशे काडपाक पयलीं नको आसलो फोटो कशे मागीर तेणें हात धरून कशे काडपाचें तें क्लिक कशें करपाचें फोकसींग कशें करपाचें तें दाखयलें आनी मागीर वर्कशॉपार म्हापसा आहले थिंगा सारको जाण आहलो.
प्रताप सरान आमकां कॅमेरा शिकयलें आनी कॅमेरा हातीन धरून शिकयलें आमी जंगलान गेल्ले आनी कितें पन्ने घर आहा पळय तें उरलां आमच्या गोंयान ते फोटो काडले.
फोटोग्राफी म्हणजे फर्स्ट टाइम शिकला आणि सरान सांगलें की फोटोग्राफीचे कॅमेरान कितें आहा ते पयलीं ताणें सगळें एक्सप्लेन केलें 2 दीस आनी तिसऱ्या दिसा सरान म्हणलें आमकां फोटो काडूंक जिपीन व्हेलें.
That's all we have for you today. Before we end, here is a reminder of the headlines. Chief Minister denies any SIMI and Naxal activities in the state. Chaos prevails at Margao after rumours with regard to violence. The BJP demands a non-biased inquiry into the Margao incident. offshore patrol vessels launched at Goa shipyard. We'll be back with more news and analysis for you. Until